name is Sanbalani. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to Mkosnophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you so much for clicking into Mkosnophilile. Please kindly subscribe. Mangaba subscribe, like video, share video as well. Ungakhohlwa ukubuka ama-ads mangaba yaphopa in during the video. So na guys, namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngodaba kabafana mawungela igazi ebhekana namacala amahlanu okuhlanganisa ukuthumba ukuphanga esebenzisa isihluku ukubulala ukuhlukumeza ngokwecansi kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Remember ubafana mawungela angaze ngimenze you guys kule channel, but on the other channel I've always done stories zakabafana mawungela. So lo mfana lona you guys usola ngokuthi ukubulala uthisha owayekade futhi ekhulelwe you guys during iMairan. I think that was the Mairan competition, something like that. You guys babe la begijima khona, I think somewhere ngase 4 ways into ikanjalo you guys. So umfana mawungelwa ke kuthiwa ke nguyena owabulala lentombazane yatholakala idindilizile laphana you guys. So kuthiwa kwandiswe ke amacala kosola ngokubulala uthisha. Lo dade kuthiwa wayenguthisha futhi wayekade ekhulele ngaleso sikhathi you guys. Kwase kusolwa ke lo bhuti okuthiwa ubafana mawungela. Sike sabona idrama laphana ngesikhathi abazali bakhe bese court wakhala ubaba wakhe you guys, wakhala isihluku. So angazi uthwesa amacala ke yena ngokusemthethweni ubafana mawungela osola ngokubulala uthisha waseGoli uKirsten Glades. So ke lo msolo wakhe ubhekane namacala amahlanu okukhona kuona ukuthumba, ukuphanga esebenzisa isihluku, ukubulala, ukuhlukumeza ngokwecansi kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho. Umufi wayeyingxenye yomqhudelwano wokugijima iMairan eGeorge Lee Park ekupheleni kuka-October. Isidumbu sakhe sathola ke onqenqemeni lwepark you guys. Umawungela wabona ke endaweni yesigameko lapho kwabulawa khona. Ubufakazi be-CCTV okuthiwa ke buveza ukuthi weqa isango elikhiwe ukuze abaleke. So yeah man you guys, udaba lokabafana mawungela mina nje ngiyamsola kwamina, not that uthi angithi ngiyabaza ngibazi, kodwa ngendlela okwenzeka ngakhona I feel like was something ngoKirsten Glades you guys, was something ngoba ke kwabonakala ku CCTV efaka iskipa saka Kirsten Glades nesidumbu kuzwakala ngathi wasibamba ke namayesho ukuthi wasiginqa ezama ukubona ukuthi lo muntu ushonile noma cha into ekanjalo. Kodwa ke mina nje mina ke my gut tells me ukuthi uguy knows something you guys, he knew something ekugcineni you guys. So ngemuva ke kokuthwesa amacala idokodo libe selidluliselwa enkantolo enkulu yaseGoli lapho kulindeleke ukuthi kuqale izethulo zokuqulwa kwecala ngomhla ka-16 August nonyaka. U-advocate Tumeleni Masako omele ubafana mawungela uzwakala ukhathazeka ngokuthi incwadi yecala iyahluleka ukudalula yonke imininingwane edingekayo nebalekile njengoba kudingeka. Uthi uma kubhekwa ubunzima bokusebenza kohlelo mancane amathuba ukuthi ukulalela kwezethulo ngaphambi kokuqulwa kwecala kuqhubeke ngokuthanda kombuso. Umeli wakhe ucela izinsuku zikamhla ka1 August no2 August ukubafaka isicelo esisha sebail ngezethulo ezintsha you guys. Udaba lokabafana mawungela for me ngafila ngathi khona into yaziyo you guys, angazi mina. Washona kabuhlungu luyadade during iMairan lapha angazi kuMairan suke bagijima ngoba ku10 angazi you guys, kodwa ke kusalayo iCCTV yabonisa yena ubafana mawungela you guys busy ngalo mzimba kaKirsten Glades. Wayesenzani ngawo bafethu, wayesenzani ngawo angazi mina you guys, but ke asidlulele kwesinye story njengoba sizokwenza istory imphili bese ke sakhuluma ngobafana mawungela osejele ngokubulala uKirsten Glades. Kunalo bhuti you guys lo bhuti ovelile upost ivideo ka TikTok you guys echoma ke ngokuthi bone jele badla kamnandi. Remember ngiyenzile le video ngahambe ibuka futhi ikhona you guys lo bhuti account yakhe ithi Bonnie Bank something like that you guys. So upost ivideo lapha ka TikTok ethi bona badla kamnandi ejele, ababhadala irent, ababhadala imanzi, you know, ukudla abakupheki bayakuphiwa ukuthi nje impilo imnandi yonke into iza nje. Banamafoni futhi sababona ba break, sababona njalo ba online into ekanjalo you guys. Siyibonile ivideo kaBhuti you guys, mangaba uyibonanga ngizokufakela yona manje, ungahambi ngoba ngizoyifaka ekugcineni just in case awuyibonanga, ngizoyifaka la ekugcineni bese ngiyafaka enye futhi lapho kade sebanjiwe khona sebethi akasho phela ukuthi abreak akabreak nje mabeka break ngokuthi yena uphila kamnandi lapha ejele. Siyabazi vele you guys baphila kamnandi laba, siyabazi you guys, banamafoni bahamba baya online benza yonke into abathanda ukuyenza you guys. So yena ke ubhede labanye you guys ngoba kumanje sekuzoshuba ke kweziningi iziboshwa ngibonile ku guys kade kutheleka abaphethe laphana ejele you guys ngathi sekuguphi bavele batheleka ngendaba yakhe lobhuti you guys lapha na kuthiwa kuphethe kabi ke ukupikla kwesiboshwa esidabuka eZimbabwe esifaka ivideo enkundleni uTikTok sithi baphila butebu ejele ngithe ungahambi ngizoyifaka ke leyo video kwesinye story basebenzi bona zivuswe zingaleli iziboshwa zasejele iGoodwood Correctional Center kufika ucommissioner womnyango wezoku hlenyelelisa kwezimilo umnozana uMakhoti Thobahale ayandandamane something like that you guys kuyabonakala lapha na bevuswa belele njengempela you guys angazi kudingwa angazi you guys ngizoyifaka le video ekugcineni ungahambi bayaseshwa I'm sure kudingeka amafoni mhlambe kudingeka you guys babhedele isimo and indaba kalobhuti lo phaphayo sengathi bangamdinga futhi nje mawuthi yambuka kule enye video ngathi sebemshayela unento nje la esiphaqeni uyabona ukuthi ngathi sebeke bathu kumnyakazisa kancane bathu kumbhaxabula mbijana I mean why the hell would you do something like that usefaka abanye bonke manje simene sibheda emajele sekuze ba strict ke yabona ke lama live abawenza yabaningi azobephelile lawo ma live and all that you guys amafoni abana futhi nje ngizwa ukuthi bephethe amafoni afensi kudlula wethu lawo ziyabuya lapha you guys ukuthi abazivuswe ithi ngibone zivuswe zingazelele isiboshwa zasejele ngase Goodwood you guys la akhona lo yabhuti ilaba bafaka ama yellow angithi mina ngazi laba bafaka ama orange ukuthi laba nje bafaka u yellow something like that we uthe yena we are living a soft life kumnandi if you think we are suffering we are not suffering yabona ke le ngiyibona manje that is suffering angazi you guys sebeyongenelwa ke manje bayaseshwa kwenzeka okuningi lapha ngendaba zika Bhuti Phaphayo ngizofaka ke ama videos wakho ekugcineni kwe video thank you so much ukuthi uyibuke ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe nokulike asiwabuke lawo ma clips just in case awuyibukanga enye i video engiyipostile
yeah hello haters you put us in prison and you think we are suffering. No, my brother, we are doing extremely fine. Look how happy we are. This morning we had breakfast, and in the afternoon we had lunch, and we had supper, and we are about to have dinner, my bro. We are doing extremely fine. We are not even suffering at all. We are happy. And look here, we are not even paying rent.
No.
We are not buying electricity. Nothing, my brother. We don't even cook food. They give us food for free. We don't even cook. Yeah, the difference is the same, my brother. No, we are not. No, my brother. We don't need toiletries. We give for free. And the education is going to be free in prison. We're not suffering. We're not suffering. If you think we are suffering, no, my brother. You are wrong.
Yeah, start. Continue. Start.
Hello, haters. If you think you put us in prison and you think we are suffering, we are doing extremely fine. This morning we had the breakfast and this afternoon we had lunch. We are not suffering at all.
And now they found me.
And now they found me, they caged me. Now I'm suffering.
Nee, dan kijk je, ga je het weer schudden. Ga je zo goed schudden. De klieren moeten niet geschud. Meneer, wacht eens. Ik ben topker. Ik moest voor de gezin moeten worden. Ik ben broek van. Nee, stop. Nee. Dit is broek. Alle broek moet je weer stoppen. In fact, dat was zo dat teken. Johanna, look you from the summer car. Take off. Look down. I don't want you to look up. people.